In this video, I will show you how to adjust the joystick sensitivity of your ETraveller EVO and EVO tool. Enter the setup mode by pushing the power button and plus button at the same time. You will see the display change. Next, push the plus button until you reach 2-1, which controls the sensitivity. Now press the horn button to enter this menu. Use the plus button to adjust the sensitivity. 2.1 means low sensitivity. 2.2 is medium sensitivity. 2.3 is high sensitivity. Press the horn button to confirm your selection. And push the power button to exit to the main menu. Now press and hold the power button to turn off the controller, which will reset your joystick. Thank you for watching. For more information, visit our website or get in touch. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for the latest videos. Wholesale Mobility is proud to service mobility sellers large and small across Australia and New Zealand.